Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mamta. I welcome you all on the YouTube channel of the digital magazine The Parascience. So now we are going to discuss share about a very important event coming up in the month of May 2021. This is Baglamukhi Jayanti, and this Devi Baglamukhi is very special, very auspicious, and this day is coming on 20th May. So let's know a little bit about Goddess Baglamukhi. Goddess Baglamukhi is the 8th Mahavidya amongst Das Mahavidya, the 10 great wisdoms, forms of Goddess Shakti, also known as Ma Pitambra or the Brahmastra Vidya. This word you must have heard. She has a golden complexion and with yellow dress and having moon on the head. She blesses the worshipper for defeating enemy, inner and outer both, winning legal cases, fights and competitions, debates, etc. She blesses with the Stambhana Shakti by which enemies get frozen or say stop doing harm. By worshipping the goddess, devotees can protect themselves from black magic, psychic attacks, evil eye, and all. She blesses the worshipper with the powers to hypnotize others and self control over senses. Goddess Baglamukhi Jayanti is celebrated on Shukla Ashtami of Vaishakh month, that generally falls in April or May. This year it is going to be celebrated on 20th May 2021. Bagla is a Sanskrit word meaning bride, meaning the Devi was named Bagulamukhi because of her beautiful looks that were glorious like a bride. She is three-eyed, although she is depicted by human head, but she is also depicted to have a head of crane, that is Bagula, in her Vedmurti form. She is adorned by a garland of yellow flowers and decked with the yellow golden ornaments. The golden throne of Devi Baglamukhi is studded with the jewels, and the Devi destroys enemies by riding on it. The name Baglamukhi also means that one who has a firm hold of the tongue and can control the mind of an individual. She rides on Bagula, the crane bird, which is associated with the concentration, a pearl of great wisdom. According to Bij Akshar Shastras, Ba, the first letter of her name, Bagla, means Baruni, or she who is filled with the intoxicating mood to vanquish the demon. Ga, the second letter, means she who grants all kinds of divine powers or siddhis and successes to human beings. La, the third letter, means she who is the foundation of all kinds of sustaining powers in the world, like the earth, and is consciousness herself. Her consort is Shiva Maharudra. Her weapon is Gudgal, a short, thick stick, by using which she kills the demons. And sometimes she is also depicted carrying a club. Planet associated with the goddess is Mars, and thus she removes the Mars related problems, especially if Mars is causing marriage problem, legal cases, argues, property problems, accidents, diseases, and or acting like a Badkesh, planet of obstacles. Devi is pleased by offering yellow clothes, yellow flowers, turmeric, lamb, and coconut. On this day, prayers are performed, japa preferably on the yellow turmeric beads rosary, and charity in the form of food or clothes is recommended. So her mantra for the praise and worship are you can find on the screen. Om Hleem Lreem Bagula Mukhi Devye Namah, or Om Hlreem Bagula Mukhi Sarva Dushtanam Vacham Mukham Padam Stambhya Jivam Kilya Buddhim Vinashya Hlreem Om Swaha. She is the great Devi, bestower of knowledge of Brahmastra, which is mentioned in many scriptures and was used to destroy the masses like atomic bomb or hydrogen bomb. Her Brahmastra Stotram is recited to please her for any wishes to be granted. As per the scriptures in Satyuga, once there were heavy floods and storms that were causing destruction of the creation on earth. The deities then prayed to Lord Shiva for help. Lord Shiva told that only Goddess Shakti has the power to calm down the storms of nature. So all devtas worshipped Goddess Shakti. Immensely beautiful Goddess Baklamukhi wearing yellow clothes then emerged out from the Haridra Sarovar, a lake of turmeric, and saved the creation. So Goddess Baglamukhi is worshipped to get relief from the adversities and evils, and thus, of course, can protect us from the havoc of COVID-19 too. Another story about her valor reveals that once a demon named Madan acquired Vak Siddhi, by which whatever he said was coming true. He misused it to trouble humans and kill people. The gods prayed to goddess Bagulamukhi. The goddess grabbed the demon's tongue and immobilized his powers. Demon Madan requested then the goddess that he be worshipped with her, which she very kindly, very politely granted. This is very kind, very beautiful, very sober Devi, and but her valor gives you so many siddhis and so many protections, and just enjoy worshipping her on this auspicious day falling on 20th May 2021. Thank you for being with me. Keep watching. I'll bring more interesting videos for you. Thank you.